Now, because my husband is earning 4 crores and 8 crores and odd, I should be granted. Why do you require 3 crores, 3 lakhs per month? What is the expenditure?
Well,
Is it because because the husband is earning 9 crores or 8 crores according to you?
Well,
You should also have proportionate. But this is very unfortunate. Court is feeling these kind of petitions just for the sake of you have money, he has money. Both of you come to the court.
My difficulty is that, my lord, this girl, she's very well employed. As per her admission, she's making 33 lakhs every year. She makes a false statement on oath before the trial court, not at one stance, my lord. I can take.
Ask the court to initiate.
Yes, my lord.
Both of you come up with, according to them, you have suppressed.
No, my lord, let them point out.
Let both of
Yeah,
you.
let them point out
let
anything.
Let the court take a serious view and will also point
Yes, my lord.
out. Court has to consider the scope of this petition where her wife draws an amount of 33 lakhs. Husband
Admitted.
draws a annual income of 4 crores or 5 crores.
8
crores
lakhs.
plus.
8 crores, 8 lakhs.
8 crores.
Yes.
So what is this? Now why the wife is coming up for the enhancement? Your income as of now is 35 lakhs.
33, around 33
33.
lakhs.
So per
Yes,
month, how much it is? It is almost 2.5 lakhs.
Please, please.
And court has granted you 90,000 as maintenance. So it is coming up to how much?
My lords, my humble submission is that.
No,
my
it
lords,
comes to how much? It comes to more than it's
around
almost
3.5 lakhs. My lords.
almost 4 lakhs.
Please, my lords.
3.5, 4 lakhs.
Please, my lords.
So there are no children out of the wedlock.
No, my lords.
Now, according to you, now because my husband is earning 4 crores and 8 crores and odd, I should be granted.
My lords, my submission is that, my lords, the application has been filed in 2018, my lords. I started to earn the current amount which my lords have stated right now. It only in the year for 2022 onwards, 2022, 23 and onwards. Till that, I was not having much income, my lords. Even my ITR speaks what I was having. I did had my businesses.
Again, false
Because-
statement.
My lords,
Sorry,
let,
my
let-
lord.
let me make
They
this-
filed their everyday assets and liability in this year, 2024. Therefore, this matter came to be decided. How can they disown? How can they say it is 2018, my lord? Very
But the affidavit has
reckless
been filed in
statement.
2022, my lords. Thereafter, after the direction of this honorable court to produce the assets and liability, because they never produced the assets and liability, this honorable court directed them. Because of that reason, the matter was pending till long in the trial court. There is a clear direction passed by this honorable court.
What are your expenditure? Why do you require 3 crores, 3 lakhs per month? What is the expenditure?
My lords,
Is it
comes around.
because because the husband is earning 9 crores or 8 crores according to you?
My lords,
You should
that-
also have proportionate. But this is very unfortunate. Court is feeling these kind of petitions just for the sake of you have money, he has money. Both of you come to the court.
Lords,
That is not the purport of interim application. What section 24 says?
please,
read
my
it.
lords.
Was not
My
able
lords,
to maintain.
Not
At
for
the
client
point of
like
time
you.
filing of an application, my
Both
lords.
your clients.
At the point of filing application, my lords, there was no income, my lords. My ITS says that I
That
was.
is done. That is
Please,
done
my
at
lords.
point of time. Now 20.
Now I am.
Where is enhancement now? Where is enhancement now? Now in that case.
But the reason, my
you're
lords,
entitled for-
The
No, no,
wife
then-
need to have
no,
the same status of
in
an
that
husband, my
case-
lords.
In
Not
that case, you are entitled only till 2022. Because 2022 you are employed now.
please, my lords.
And then
But
court shouldn't grant maintenance after 2022. When a person who is earning 35 lakhs, why do you want still maintenance from the husband?
my lords, my humble submission is that, my lords, what I'm earning for a year, my husband earns 66 lakhs per
I
month.
don't think that is the purport of.
Oh, my lords, No, that's not my intention, my lords. The reason is that, my lords,
Alimony or whatever you want to
My
ask
lords,
as. But not.
the wife has to
He's
be,
earning that much.
my lords.
It is no, you out of the wed, I think he stayed for 6 months. That's what he was saying.
That's
on
a
the
wrong
last
statement, my lords. The rate of separation is that, my lords, 1/7/2015, my lords. Marriage is, my lords, 26/2014. It's
It is if they themselves claim on page number 462 as their expenses of 1,15,000 per month. It is her assets and liability. It is
The order.
sorry.
There is
There is a-
order in WP number 8612.
my lords,
My lords.
page number 492, my lords. The
In
operating
my
portion
petition, it
at,
is page number 22.
Page number
22 in my petition, 6222.
my lords,
petition.
4612, my lords, page number 492,
For
volume 2, my lords, volume 2. There are 2 volumes, my lords.
impugned
492.
notice in the second volume.
Please, my lords.
Yes, give that.
It is I made a compilation of judgments of Supreme Court which says anybody who takes the court for granted They should be.
Not anybody, that's what I made
Yes,
it
ma'am,
very
let
clear.
them point out one single instance on my part, where I lied. There's nothing as such. I'm facing cross-examination on
All
data.
documents, where is the order?
My lords, 492, my lords.
How can you find an
492.
impugned order in the second volume?
Page number 492.
Give that second writ petition.
My lord, it is in page number 22 on my compilation.
Page number,
22.
that's the month.
There is a met under the,
With orders passed in.
there is a one more request, my lord. I'm relying upon the judgment of Supreme Court, which categorically says anybody making the false statement, taking the court for a right, they should not be entertained. There are three direct judgments of the Supreme
With the
Court, my lord.
orders passed in, take that. Agreed with the orders passed in. Where is IA? What is this order, in which case?
My lord, this was for the interim maintenance.
Where do you get that?
My lord, the title itself.
The agreed with orders passed
Madam.
by the trial court under section 125 CRPC, under section 24 of the Hindu Marriage Act, in criminal miscellaneous number 635 of 2019, criminal miscellaneous number 293 of 2023, and MC number 6470 of 2022, dated 12th February 2024, both the wife, whereby the court had granted 90,000 as maintenance, both the husband and wife are before this court. The wife's writ petition is WP number A612 of 2024, and the husband's writ petition is WP number 6222 of 2024. The husband has filed MC seeking divorce. Before, while in the pending MC, parties have come before this court by filing several writ petitions. Initially, WP number 11146 of 2022, dated 31st January 2023, is filed. Agreed by the order passed by the family court, dated 1/12/2021. Upon the application under section 91 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, in the criminal C miscellaneous number 635 of 2019, the court had passed an order dated dated 31st January 2023. The stage for consideration of all the modified is in a challenge to an innocuous order would not be entertainable, hence leaving open all the contentions of the respective parties to be urged before the court. The petition is dismissed, and the court has also observed that both the husband and the wife shall cooperate with the proceedings for its conclusion in terms of the order. Please don't tell the court that this is all a person requires. 6,16,300 per month. Does anybody spend this much? A single lady for herself? Oh, if she wants to spend, let her earn. I'm really surprised how she could give all these headings.
What is the amount debt and what is the expenditure at present she is incurring, and what is the amount she is expecting from the court with regarding to maintain her life in the same standard of life that her husband. That and all we have stated in the assets and liability mark. In a detail, it has been categorically.
Just she will not be given maintenance. Basing on what the husband is getting, and also other factor
My
is
lord,
what is her requirement? Husband must be having 10 crores of income because he's getting, court will grant 5 crores to her. No, it's about she has to tell what is her expenditure, what is her requirement that you didn't even tell before the court, except giving a big figure of so and so. There was no break. What was the breakup? Why? What is that she wants? Never. No, when I asked you to give before this court, if this expenditure that she gave before the court is simple reason and simple ground for this court to dismiss your application.
my lord, my humble submission before this honorable court. Kindly look the operative portion, my lord, wherein prior to it, the court has held. He has never stated affects certain liability, but he's made a submission that he keeps a cash box at house, wherein she makes use of that fund, wherein hence the court held that she is not supposed to be provided with any expenditure with regarding, because she is already taking from the cash box. And for her personal
Please,
income.
you understood when the court asked you,
Yes.
though it was not given before the trial court, the court asked you for this to consider to grant some amount to her. After looking at all the expenditure what she has placed before the court feels that nothing to be
My
granted.
humble submission, my lord, this court may not order this much, my lord, to a reasonable amount, my lord. My
Why
humble
should I
submission.
do that exercise? Why should you tell all this? And why should I grant? Why should the court grant reasonable amount?
No, my lord, in order to
There is a
show the
duty-
actual picture,
there is
my
a
lord.
duty also. No, please don't tell the court that this is all a person requires. 6,16,300 per month. Does anybody spend this much? A single lady for herself? Oh, if she wants to spend, let her earn. Not on the husband.
My lord, any nominal amount.
But I'm telling you, if this is, if you want an order from the court, I want the actual figures, not this lakhs of figures. Will not grant, or else I'll dismiss your application. Please tell your client, what is this? You have no other responsibility of the family. You don't have to take care of the children. You want for yourself. You say, I want 6,16,000. That's not the purport of Section 24. And it is not a punishment to the husband that if he is having a dispute with wife to grant 6,16,000. You should be reasonable in telling it. Not that I will tell some figure and the it is for the court to give some amount or the other. There was no reason for the court to even ask you to file it. I thought if you give the figure and if the court understands what's the requirement, then we'll consider it. But not 6,16,300. A single lady without the responsibility of the kids, just to take them for a holiday, take them for a lunch. You require 6,16,000. At least how I'm really surprised how she could give all these headings. I think even in that Rajneesh versus Neha, nobody knows that these many headings will be available. Very strange. Final opportunity for you. Come up with a reasonable thing. Reasonable, I'm again telling you. If it is like this kind of a thing, straight away we'll dismiss it.